We have so many great new books from Usborne Books and More right now, and My Little Library Tiny Tots is one of them. This is a set of Indestructible books, and it comes with 6 different titles. It's presented beautifully in this little carrying case, and let's take a look at what it includes. My Numbers Tiny Tear Proof helps your child learn to count from 1 to 10, along with these adorable little animals. My Busy Day is going to help your little one learn words for commonly known items. Did I mention that they were tear-proof? You can't tear it. Something spills on this, no problem. You can just wipe it right off, and it is as good as new. They're puke-proof. Yes! My Animal Friends details various animals in different scenes and is absolutely adorable. Your child will have fun figuring out where the things are in each picture that it asks for. Your little one will learn to recognize colors. These are my yellow things. Have some fun at the farm with farm friends. And finally, first words. Little one throws a tantrum and crumbles it up. No problem. It will be good as new.